Hey everyone, welcome back to the Python for Beginners series. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most useful parts of Python, which is operators. These helps you do math, compare values, and make decisions in your code. Let's break them down together. Here is what we will cover: arithmetic operators, comparison operators, how to use these operators in real examples, common mistakes that beginners make, and in the end we will have one practice challenge. One quick note for today's tutorial: I want to use Jupyter Notebook because it is great for teaching, especially when I will be showing code in small steps. We will start using Spider again when we will write multi-steps code. To open the Jupyter Notebook, you can open the Anaconda Navigator and launch it from here. It will take you to the browser home page, and to create a new Python file, you can click on New and click Python. Once you have the new page, you can start writing on this. So let's get started with all the arithmetic operators. Python supports all the basic math operations. Let's go over them one by one. For example, let's say a equal to 10 and b equal to 3, and we want to print a plus b. This is the addition and it should return 13. Okay, now let's try out other operators. For the subtraction, we use a minus b. Let's do the multiplication next. Next is division. Okay, so you can see this division is returning the float, and if we want the floor division without any decimal, we can print with double slash like a b. Let's run it, and it excludes the decimals. Next, let's count modulus. And exponentiation. Alright, these operations works just like they do in math class, but it's cool to see how Python handles them, right? Next up, comparison operators. Let's do comparison operators. These will return true or false depending on whether the comparison is correct or not. For example, x is 5 and y is 10. I want to print x is equal to y or no, and this should return false because as x is not equal to y. Let's see if x is not equal to y, and this must be true. Let's see Another comparison operator, which is x is greater than y. Other way around, if x is less than y. That is true for sure. Um, we can do greater than equal to and less than equal to as well. Let's see if x is greater than equal to 5. This must return true. And if y is less than equal to 10, this must be true as well. You will use these a lot when writing conditions like if statements, which we will cover soon in next video. A quick tip: the equal to is assignment operator and double equal is comparison operator. Don't don't confuse yourself using them. So like if with the if statement, if we can say x equal to 5, this will give you the syntax error, because when we want to compare, we need to do double equal. Okay, so if x is equal to 5, then it's going to return the value correct. Alright, here is a challenge. Write a few expressions using both arithmetic and comparison operators that we just learned. For example, print 10 plus 2 is greater than 5. This must return true. That's it for today. Now you know how to use operators in Python. In next video, we will explore if-else statements, where all these comparisons really shine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Python tutorials. See you next time.